If your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max speaker is having audio issues such as low volume, crackling, no sound after updating to iOS 18, then here is the guide to fix it. So, first of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside it, tap on the Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth is toggled off because iPhone might be routing sound to a paired earbuds or speaker, so your speaker is not working properly. Then make sure to disable the headphone mode as well. And after that, clean the speaker grill. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean dust from bottom speaker next to the charging port and earpiece speaker near front camera. After you do so, go back to the settings and tap on the general option available. Then inside general, tap on the software update and update it to the latest version. If a newer iOS 18.x fix is available, update immediately. Apple often patches audio bugs in minor updates. Once done so, go back to the settings general again. Now, in general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset, then tap on the reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.